The higher secondary first year, that is Class 11 examinations in Assam, which were supposed to start from Wednesday, have been suspended partially due to floods and extensive damage caused by heavy rains in the last few days. The Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, which conducts the exams, in a notification informed all the heads of the institutions under it that the higher secondary first year examinations to be held till Saturday are suspended until further order. The exams that were scheduled to be completed on June 1st have been suspended due to prevailing inclement weather and in view of damages being caused by the natural calamities in the state. However, in the worst hit Dima-Hasao district, all examinations till June 1st are suspended until further order due to disruption of surface communication. Around 2 lakh people in 20 districts of Assam have been affected by floods, with the hill district of Dima-Hasao getting cut off from the rest of the state after landslides triggered by incessant rain, snapped rail and road links.